Take a look at this PayPal payment right here. Over $107, and you can receive money just like this if you have a mobile phone or a computer. So this is how much money you can earn. On your first day, you can earn $150. On day 2, you can earn $350. And on your third day, you can earn $550. This method for today is incredibly easy and perfect for beginners. Plus, it's 100% free, and you don't need to worry about anything else because this method is available worldwide. We are going to be showing you how you can sign up for a free account, and we're also going to be sharing with you a lot of bonuses and tips and tricks that can increase your earning potential throughout today's entire video. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First of all, we want you to go on this website right here. Just type in univoxcommunity.com, and as soon as you hit enter on that, it should take you right over here. Take surveys, earn rewards, devote time, take surveys, and share feedback on products you use. Get paid for it without even leaving your chair. Do this while you're anywhere in the world. If you sign up, you immediately get $2 just by doing so, which is absolutely crazy. Now, before we get into the sign up process though, let's explore this website a little bit more. 3 simple steps to this whole method. We value both your time and opinions. Do you? With Univox, you can start doing so. It's quick. The sign up and get instant bonus of 200 points where it's $2. Take surveys and we'll email you survey invites. The surveys will be quick and easy to answer. And then earn rewards, win exciting rewards for each survey you take. Here are some of the ways that you can choose to get paid. So obviously our favorite, PayPal Money. We also have bank transfer, Amazon gift cards, and Tango gift cards as well. So you can literally just choose from this. They worked with other brands already too, which means that this website is legit and it's reliable. So you can download this app on both Android and iOS devices, which just makes it all the better than it already is. To join, you're going to want to click on join to get $2, and then you'll see this. Join us to get $2, surveys made just for you. It's the simple and rewarding way to voice your opinion. Again, 3 simple steps: register for free, participate in surveys, earn rewards. Now you're just going to fill up this application like you normally would. So your language, first name, last name, gender, email, password twice, birth year and month, your address, zip code, your country, and then do the CAPTCHA, agree to the terms, and then hit sign up. Once you've signed up, you should find yourself in your account, and that should look something like this. Now we're going to discuss bonus tip number 1. You'll see on top that you have 1 free spin, and we want you to click on that. Then you're going to be brought over here to this page. Basically, you will be able to spin this wheel of fortune and you can win free money online. So you can earn anywhere from 100 points to 1,000 points, and 100 points is equal to $1, which means that you can easily earn $1 to $10 every single day, literally just by spinning this wheel of fortune. So just hit on spin and it'll start spinning, get a little crazy. Then it will just show me how much I earned, and we didn't win anything, but that's okay because after 24 hours we can try again and again. You can do this as much as you'd like. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Bonus tip number 2 would be to go on My Surveys right here, and this is where you can find different surveys that you can do to earn even more PayPal money. It's already sorted by relevance, but we want you to click on sort by points high to low. As you can see, all of the surveys that have the most points will be first shown to you, and these are the surveys that you should do in order to earn $1 each survey. So if you want to take up these surveys, just click on the button right here, take survey, then you're going to be brought to this page. And as soon as I hit save, I will right away be brought to this page right here. And it's simple, just tick one, then hit next. Then another question will pop up, same process, tick one, hit next. It's as simple as that. Then you're finally going to be taken to this page where you're going to agree to the terms and services, hit continue, and finally you're going to be brought to the actual survey on Univox, and this is where you're going to easily make your $2 in 3 minutes. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Bonus number 3 would be that you make sure to finish 10 surveys, because once you complete 10 surveys, then you're going to receive higher paying surveys. Surveys that will range from $3 to $5, so make sure that you complete 10 surveys first, or else you won't receive higher paying surveys. Now to triple your earnings, we want you to click on your username at the top right and then hit on account, and then make sure you're at the communication preference section. So make sure that beside the email it says 5 or more, because this means that you will be receiving 5 or more surveys in a day straight into your email account, which is what we want, because the more surveys, the more money, and that's exactly what we're looking for. So make sure you actually log in every single day as well and do as much surveys, because you're able to end up in the leaderboard, and if you are able to lead up there, then you can get additional points for free up to 500 points. This is $5, so that's an additional $5, and it's another great opportunity for us to earn. Some specific activity have exchanges to them, so as you can see here, if you do 10 surveys, then that's an additional 2 points. If you complete a survey, that's an additional 20 points. If you have a referral, then that's 20 points again, and so on and so forth, and that is basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.